Sorry guys, nakat ng video. So let's go on. So for the Q3, we have 4.84 kilojoules. We got we calculate we solve it with the calculator. Next we have the Q4, 10 kilogram, which is the mass, and the um the latent heat of vaporization constant water. So 2060 kilojoules times of per kilogram. So nasa out kilogram, so may times yung 260 and times we do have 22,600 kilojoules sa ato ang Q4 and ang Q5. So Q5 is the sensible heat. So 10 kilograms for the mass gyapon, 2.05 kilojoules per kilogram K na nakuha to sa specific heat sa steam, and for the final temperature 120 degrees Celsius, and for the initial temperature is 100 degrees Celsius. So we calculated and we solve it using a calculator. So 10 times 2.05 times 20. So we got 410 kilojoules. So to get our total heat required, so we need to sum it up, Q1 to Q5. 209 kilojoules plus 3,340 kilojoules plus 4,184 kilojoules plus 3,600 kilojoules plus 410 kilojoules. So use calculator. 209 plus 3,340 plus 4,184 plus 2,600 plus 410. So we got 30,000 Q total, 30,643 kilojoules. So mao ni ang kanang required heat para ma-change ang 10 kilogram ice at initially negative 10 degrees Celsius into water vapor at 120 degrees Celsius. Dako kayo 30,743 kilojoules. So muna siya sum up. So to remind you guys, lahi ang kanang dili niyo siya dito ma-solve. You need to know what is the difference of latent heat and the sensible heat, and when to use that or utilize that formulas. So thank you guys, and good luck to your future endeavors and to me. Thank you.